I've just saved myself 3 to 4 hours of my life, and it is all because I refuse to take meetings. And I think you should as well. And here is why. Let me just put this all into context for you, because this is very much related to something which has just happened, which is why I've come out of the office over here. I've got my jacket on because there's no heating in this section. The office is toasty warm, but this is what's happened. Friday, a gentleman gives me a call and he wants to talk to me about his product that he needs photography for because they've just got investment and they need to do all the stuff they need to do. I made my usual polite excuse that I was busy and in the middle of something and I couldn't really hear properly, so could you email it through to me? This isn't true. I was sat on the sofa drinking a coffee, but I don't take phone calls. I then received the email, which had no useful information whatsoever, just loads of stuff talking about what he wanted to do, but not actually what he was going to do. So I sent a response and said, that sounds lovely. Could you give me your brief with the deliverables as well as an idea of your budget? And this is something which people seem scared to ask. I always ask what their budget is, because just because you want 3 photos taking, it could be anywhere from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands, depending on the level of production. So we asked him what his budget was. He came back to us and we discovered it didn't align. What I thought would cost maybe £100,000 to £150,000, they had £500 for. Happens all the time. They just don't understand the cost of doing business in this way. So they've got an idea, an idea of what it should cost, and it just doesn't align. That's fine. If we hadn't have done that, if we'd have done with what a lot of the people who come to me with issues who need help with one-to-ones have done, they'll go, yeah, I'd love to shoot your product. Let me see what your shot list is, or get the shot list, or have a phone call. They'll talk about it. They'll go, let me go away and do an estimate. They'll go away and start working on the estimate. By this point, you've lost 3 hours of your life. Then to send it over and for them to go, we don't have £100,000, we've got £500. It's a complete misalignment. And because of this, I will not attend a meeting until we're paid. Until someone has signed off the job and said the budget's okay, the budget's aligned, I will not turn up. And if they want me to turn up for a meeting out of the blue for random reasons, they have to pay for my time and we bill them accordingly. But we will not go to meetings until budgets have been agreed. Maybe not nailed down to the exact penny, but we need to know that we're working in the same ballpark. The difference between someone charging £500 and £150,000 is huge. And it's so easy just to waste so much of your time going to meetings. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody out there. I hope it helps you save some time and just avoid doing work which isn't needed. Going through a telephone call for an hour, doing an estimate and doing a pre-production meeting then to be told the budgets don't align is a waste of your time, and that time could be better spent finding clients who do align with your budget and standards of work. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.